In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hexagon in Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool, widely used for UI/UX design, prototyping, and general graphic design. Creating basic shapes like a hexagon might seem straightforward, but understanding the nuances of Figma's shape tools can significantly enhance your workflow and overall design capabilities. A hexagon, with its distinct 6 sides, is a versatile shape often found in logos, patterns, and even complex geometric layouts, making it a valuable skill to master. To begin, you'll want to navigate your attention to the toolbar located at the top of your Figma canvas. This is where you'll find all your essential design tools. Look for the Shape Tools icon, which typically defaults to displaying a rectangle. If you click and hold down this icon, a convenient drop-down menu will appear, revealing various shape options for you to choose from. Among these options, you'll find Polygon. This is the specific shape we need to select to start the process of creating our hexagon. Once you click on Polygon, your cursor will visibly change, indicating that you're now ready to draw. Click and drag your mouse on your canvas to draw a polygon. By default, Figma usually generates a triangle, which is a 3-sided polygon. Don't worry if it's not a hexagon yet. We'll adjust that in the very next step. You can draw it to any initial size you prefer, as scaling and resizing are always possible later on. Now that you have a default polygon on your canvas, it's time to transform it into that perfect hexagon we're aiming for. With your newly drawn polygon still selected on the canvas, direct your gaze to the right-hand sidebar. This area is your Properties panel, and it provides various controls and settings for the currently selected shape. Specifically, you're looking for the Count or Sides property. This important control is usually represented by a numerical input field, often accompanied by a small arc icon or a slider, depending on your Figma version. This particular control dictates the number of sides your polygon currently has. As we noted, the default value for the Polygon tool is typically 3, giving you a triangle. To make your shape a hexagon, simply change this count value to 6. As you input the number 6 into the field, or drag the associated slider until it reaches 6, you'll immediately observe your 3-sided triangle transform into a 6-sided hexagon right before your eyes. It's truly that simple. For even more precise control over the shape while you're drawing, you can sometimes also manipulate a circular handle that might appear directly on the shape itself when it's selected. Clicking and dragging this handle can interactively adjust the number of sides. Just ensure you release the mouse button when the count clearly shows 6 sides.